And on behalf of our home, it is my pleasure to welcome you to our special celebration of World Sleep Day. We are honored to have you with us today to embark on a journey into the dream sphere, a theme that beautifully complements this year's message, Make Sleep Health a Priority. So as a working mother to 3 daughters, aged 5 to 16, I know firsthand how important quality of sleep is. Balancing family, career, and personal goals can be challenging, but getting the right rest has made a huge difference. In fact, it's what helped me at the age of 47 to complete 4 Spartan obstacle course races over the past year and has given me enough energy and focus to train for my first half marathon. For over 2 decades, our home and Uratex have shared a strong partnership rooted in a common purpose: to uplift the lives of Filipinos through quality sleep solutions. We believe that quality sleep is the foundation of a better life, and through our home's collaboration with Uratex, we continue to make this belief a reality for Filipino homes. We would also like to extend our gratitude to SM Mega Mall for hosting us at this very vibrant space here in Mega Fashion Hall. And it allows us to give the opportunity for more of our customers to celebrate with us. And we hope today's event encourages all of you to prioritize your sleep health and explore the right sleep solutions that can help you wake up refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on the workday. Thank you.